Look at Bruno trying to get away from the water. Come on, Bruno. You gonna get in the water? Get in the water. He don't really like water. Okay, he trying to get out of it. Oh, no, I ain't fucking with it. Bruno. 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 Come on. Get in the water a little bit, Bruno. Dang. Seashells. And Bruno, it's another dog right there that Bruno met.
I found a lot of seashells.
You found a lot of seashells. Seashells. But that dog, the dog started sniffing Bruno wang dang, and Bruno was not having it. He started growling. Bruno sang with that gay shit. Cause that's a boy. That dog, the other dog is a boy, and Bruno. When that thing started sniffing his winky, he like, He started growling like, get off, fuck off me. Bruno said he ain't with that gay shit.